I'm Jacqueline Cham, President of South Asia YouTube Academy. I have come to you for a special notice. South Asia YouTube Academy, our institution in Sri Lanka, has introduced a new website and app for YouTube users living in South Asian countries in the year 2024. This is expected to increase the number of YouTube creators and YouTube users in South Asian countries. This app and website gives money to YouTube users by watching YouTube videos and by subscribing to the channel. There are no data charges for this. It is free. With this web app, 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours of YouTube channels will be completed in 2 days. Subscribers will be increased from 1 to 10,000. How is this website app important to YouTube creators? By this web app, subscribe 1,000 watch hours and 4,000 watch hours are completed in YouTube channels that are not complete. Also, the number of subscribers in channels with low number of subscribers can be increased from 1 to 10,000. How is this website app important to YouTube users? You can earn money by watching YouTube videos through this website app. You can earn $1 by watching YouTube videos from this web app for 1 hour. You can also get money by subscribing to YouTube channels through this web app. By subscribing 1,000 YouTube channels through this web app, $2 is given. There is no additional data charge while using this web app and watching videos through this website. This can be done without data charges from any SIM that has activated the YouTube package. You can work and earn money at any time of the day. When can this app.web application be used? This can be used from the year 2024. For which countries can this web app be used? Can be used for South Asian countries including Sri Lanka. Information about this website created by our company will be informed through our YouTube channel through 4 videos in the future. So subscribe to our YouTube channel. Then when the next 4 videos are added, you will be notified via SMS notification. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to be informed by notification message.